Hi, this is David from over at Simply Maya, and today I want to take some time and answer a question we had on our forum about a missing render view. But really I'm going to show you how to reset Maya back to its factory default settings and a couple of things you can try before you take that fairly drastic step. Now, to start off with, the render view in Maya can be found here for the standard render view, or Arnold Open Render View for the Arnold render view. If for some reason these windows are not coming up for you, or perhaps you've just, dragged a window off and you can't find it anymore, there's a couple of things you can try before you completely reset Maya. Now, the first one would be just up in your workspaces here, reset current workspace, and you'll see my channel box came back. The other thing you can try is Window UI Elements, Restore UI Elements. And then if you bring up your render view again, in the case of our forum question, and it's still not working, you still can't find it, there is a simple solution for this. You can merely take Maya's preferences, which should be here for you. So it will be your documents, Maya 2020. Now that will depend on the version of Maya you're using, of course. Take this entire folder and delete it. Now, I would recommend that you renamed it to keep a backup of it, just in case you would ever need it if you have a highly customized version of Maya. I'm going to say in this case, as you indicated on the forum, you were brand new to Maya, that's not going to be the case for you. So just delete this folder and restart Maya, and that will reset it back to the factory default. So I hope that was somewhat useful. Welcome to Simply Maya. Thanks for watching.